The following process will take you through how to add a team member onto the website. So this is detailed in the Trello boards. So this is for the leadership team changes. If you are updating a new team member, so this is either leadership team termination or leadership team new team member, they have to be updated onto the website. So for instance, Danny Lyman, new to leadership team here. If we have a look down here, there's a certain number of jobs here. So this is updating the meeting page and updating the regional leadership team page as well. So they need to be there. And if we're removing somebody from the board, it's just the same process. So first of all, you got to add them into the team. So double check to see if they're there already. And if they're not there, then so no team member found, so add new team member. So what we need is the information over here, which is on the Business for Life page. So we'll search for Danny. And hopefully they've got a Business for Life profile set up with a profile picture. If they don't have a profile picture and details on the Business for Life site, then we need to go into LinkedIn. So Danny's not on there at all in the member exchange. We'll just double check on here. Member exchange. So it hasn't set up his profile yet on the member exchange, so not done there. So we can go on, let's go onto his LinkedIn and get the same information there. So we'll click on here, save image as. It goes into the Google Drive, shared drives, website, BX page, images and graphics, and team. And we go Danny Lyman. Okay, so now over back in the add team member, we can information here. So Danny Lyman, Danny Lyman. I'm just going to put this on a separate screen so it makes it easier to see the information here. So BX title, so he's applied for the team leader role. So business name, so all this information is in his Trello card that's been set up from his application. So with the member exchange link, what we can use is it'll simply be the same extension as another member. So just using the name. And so we'll add that in here. And so simply just open up another member so that you can see, it'll show you the profile. And so if you take that and back in the team here, just paste that in there and we can replace that with Danny Lyman, and we'll make sure he sets up his profile. And email address will be the same information straight from the Trello card as well. Okay. And that's all that needs to be done. We just want to set the image. And that was in the same place that we saved it. And now we can publish this. And now we go to the locations and we search for Manly. And if you open Manly up and scroll down to the team for Manly. So we actually want to get rid of a couple of people here. So Tim actually not there. Sal's not there and Jay's not there. And we now need to find Danny Lyman. There he is. He's the team leader, so he's first. And it's as simple as that. And if you publish that or update that, that's how to add a team member there. So you need to add them as a team member here and then add them to the location. And they go in there. And that's how you do that.